Water, a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, and the juice to 1 thing of pineapple, and I cooked it. Put that in the bottom of a floured baking dish, made a yellow cake, and I'm adding it to the top. This is pineapple upside down cake. I don't know how that video stopped. And I'm just adding this yellow cake to the top. And I preset my oven at 350. But the recipe is a whole thing of juice from a can of pineapple, 1 cup of water, a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, and a cup of water. And then add your pineapple to the bottom of your greased and floured baking sheet, and then add a yellow cake mix on top. And bake at 350 for 28, it said 28 to 29 minutes on my box. But I am so sorry my video stopped playing. I'll see what I have of it, and if it'll any of it comes back is on there, I'll add it to the beginning. But hopefully this I'm sorry about the video, but maybe next time my video won't stop. I'm so sorry. Please join the family and please subscribe to my channel. Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. The cake's out of the oven. It baked at 350 for 28 minutes. And now this is where the magic happens. We are going to take the cake, and this is just an old jelly roll pan that I use for about everything. And I'm going to put some tin foil in it. Then I'm going to take the cake like this, and I'm going to flip it over. And I missed the tin foil completely. But this is where you have to be really careful that you don't burn the pajeebies off yourself. And I normally like to take a bread knife and pound the bottom to make sure you get it clear. Did good that time. Only a couple pieces didn't turn out with me. You can just take a spoon or a spatula and go right on top of the cake. I waited about 5 or 10 minutes to let it cool, so I didn't burn the pajeebies out myself flipping it over, because I've done that.